Hi guys, so I'm getting ready for class and I want to do my edges. So I normally use Nice and Lovely styling gel, the colorless one. It works so perfect for me. So yeah, step one, I just take the gel and just apply it on my baby hairs. Hizi braids zinazeeka. So I'm making sure like nime apply kila mahali, like hapa mbele, and then I use a toothbrush, and then now sasani line them down. So na laying it towards the direction yenye nataka. So za hapa na lay hivi, and then I'm not even sure if you can see clearly. Okay, let me do this on the mirror and then I'll show you guys the outcome. Just like that. Yeah, inside inaonekana. So just like that. So yep. And then so I want to wear these earrings. Guys, I can choose these earrings any day, anytime. Like as a shout, zinakuwa so perfect. Like you can wear them anytime, any day, with anything, as long as I don't walk with naked ears. Yeah, so yeah. So for my lips, I'm going to go with Vaseline because I can't find my gloss. Sijui nilipotezea wapi, so yeah. Yep, so that's it guys. I just want to take some photos for this fit so perfect. Like nataka ikuwe thumbnail ya hii video. So let me take some mirror photos and then let me see what's the time. So I think I have like 10 minutes. I'm at 15. I want to like take the photos and then head out for class. So yeah.
Napenda tu the orange one. Koshoni tamu. Cheers. Hebu tufanye cheers. More campaign. They should be campaigning every day. Hey.
Fanya hivi.
tuko wapi? Wow.
Hi guys, so I've just gotten back to my room right now, and yeah, tangu nitoke asubuhi, so yeah, class ilisha around 3 p.m. and then there was a heavy downpour, like wow, leo kumenyesha. So it rained, imenyesha like a lot, so tukachill, like we had to wait for the like rain to cease a bit ndio tutoke, and then tukatoka, and then kufika katikati ya njia again like yo kumenyesha, and ilikuwa inanyesha ya side hadi umbrella like haiwezi kusaidia, like you'll still be rained on. So yeah, we had to take shelter under the expressway for quite some time. Tumekaa hapo like 30 minutes. Yeah, so right now I feel so cold. I first want to make myself coffee because I feel so cold, but at least niliva warm, so yeah, I'm not that like sija freeze like freeze. But yeah guys, so let me make myself coffee. I'll just get in bed because this is not the weather, guys. This is not the weather for studying. It's not the weather for doing things. Sitaki kwenda mahali, like I just wanna chill. I'm so glad nimefika kwa room. Nilikuwa tunawisha kisinifike tu kwa room, like it's so cold, but yeah guys,